Hello, everybody. This is Professor Hill. This is a short video for our class, Introduction to Philosophy 1301 here at St. Philip's College. This is the spring semester of 2020, and today is Thursday, the 30th of January, 2020. And, uh, and it turns out we have been spending the first week getting our books, getting sorted out. The good news is, after we had a few people that had a couple of delays getting their books, I understand when you order them online and they're being flown in from all kind of places around the world. But look, most everybody now has got the book now, and they've had a chance to jump into The Philosophical Journey by William Lawhead. Again, we've got people with different editions, but that's okay, because what we want to do is read the first chapter, which is it's an introduction to philosophy in general, and it starts with Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, and it introduces the concepts of metaphysics and epistemology, which we're going to see are the next two chapters. Chapter 2 is one that's dedicated to metaphysics, and chapter 3 is about epistemology, our study of knowledge and how we know what we know. And it turns out that the good news is the chapter gives us kind of an overview of philosophy, and it helps introduce some key concepts. And what we're going to do is now we're going to crank up our process according to the calendar, which is, again, what I said is we're going to read a chapter and then write a short essay about it. And then we're going to post that essay into the discussion section, which is also up. And so that's going to be the first assignment was get the book and read chapter 1. But now we're going to have our first discussion, which means our first essay. And then hopefully you'll not only post your essay first, which is good, we got to do this in order, but then also read through and comment on at least 2 of your classmates. So again, to have it be completed, you need to post your essay and then read through and comment on at least 2 others. Let me just tell you right now, I have people that they post it and they don't comment on other people's. And I'm like, well, you haven't finished yet. And they're like, no, I posted my essay. I'm like, I got that, but you still need to comment on at least 2. Last semester, I had somebody who said, yeah, I did that. I'm like, no, you didn't. So I just want to warn everybody right now, guys, I can see every keystroke. I had somebody who actually, they said, oh, okay, all right, I'll do it. So they went and then they did 1. And I'm like, no, you got to comment on at least 2 of your classmates' assignments. And they were like, oh, okay. So just from the beginning, let's just sort that out right now. That's going to be, to complete the assignment, you got to do those things. But again, like I said, most people, this isn't a big deal. You read the chapter, you write an essay around the discussion question, you post it, comment on at least 2. And I've had people who, and again, God love, we've got the tortoise and the hare. I've got some tortoise students who are like, my book hasn't arrived yet. I'm like, and they're available in the library. You can read them there. And other people who are like, I got the book the first day and I'm ready to go. And I'm like, okay, read the chapter. We're getting there. I just want to make sure that everybody had a chance to get the book and read the chapter, because we all got to stay together, because again, we're going to do this in a discussion format. If it was just submit the essays, you could run ahead. But here, because we're going to comment on each other's essays, we want to make sure that we're doing this together as a class. So there's still going to be plenty of time to write the essay. It's not going to be due until next Sunday night. So we've got time. Don't panic out there. And again, this is laid out in the online Canvas class. But again, if you read through and you got questions, send me an essay. I've been trying to respond to them as they come in. I did have some other things which kept me away from posting before today, Thursday the 30th. But again, like I said, the assignment was get your book, read the chapter. Most people have been doing that and writing in with the occasional question about the material. But if you do have further questions, let me know, and we'll crank up the discussion and essay writing. That's the next stop. All right. So again, you got a week. Don't panic. Bye.